When you make a claim for a mental injury, we'll usually contact you to gather more details. This helps us better understand your situation and decide your claim. First though, when you make a claim, you'll need to provide us with a work capacity certificate from your GP, which tells us about your condition. When we have this, we'll call you to ask about key events that may have caused your injury, such as what happened, when and where it occurred, and who was involved, including any witnesses. This is sometimes called a statement, and it's an important part of helping us to decide your claim. After we've taken this information, we'll share it with you so you can review it. This is your opportunity to check everything is accurate and let us know if any changes are needed. If you'd prefer not to provide these details over the phone, just let us know and we can send you a template to help guide you in providing a written statement. You'll also need to provide evidence to support your claim information, such as witness accounts, workplace documents, or incident reports. For more guidance, watch our other video on providing evidence. It's important to focus on factual details that can be supported by evidence. The information and evidence you provide will be sent to your employer for their response. While you may have strong feelings about what happened, it's good to remember that opinions or hearsay do not contribute to the claim decision. This helps keep the process clear and constructive. If you're a first responder diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder, your claim decision process may look different to this. For first responders with PTSD, there's a simplified claim pathway to help limit how often you need to retell what happened. Search PTSD on our website to learn more about the criteria. If you have questions or need help, call us or visit our website. If you need support after an injury at work, you can access the Workers' Psychological Support Service to connect in with community services. Call 1800 370 732 or visit wpss.org.au to find out more. You can also contact the Workers' Compensation Information and Advisory Service for workers on 1800 102 166. If you need help in your language, call 1800 512 451 and ask for an interpreter.